Hi girls. Today I'm going to explain you the activity that you're going to do during this week. We have 3 points in math technology. The first one is to play two games. I know that sometimes you have some problems clicking in the link, so today I'm going to show you 2 ways to go. The first one that you already know, it's by clicking, you just type control as it says here, and then you click in the link. We're gonna wait if it's opening. In my case, it opens. It's a frog and it's a pond, and the idea is to find a way of taking the turtle to the pond, giving some sequences. I'm going to show you another way to go to this game. Remember always to look at the link. The most important is the name of the page that is NCTM. So if you cannot enter through the direct link, so you put NCTM and then you put classroom resources, and it's not enough because you need to put what is the classroom resource that you want to use, and in this case is the turtle pond. So you need to write turtle pond in Google. After you have this, it's going to appear the direct link. So now you have 2 ways to go to the game. How do you discover the way to go from the turtle to the pond? You have here the directions. So the idea is that you find the pattern according if it needs to go how many times straight. So if I need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times, so I go and I put that I need 9 times. However, they give you the maximum moves per direction, it's 6. So in this case, I'm going to put 6. And then I need to calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As is the majority of the number that I use for forward, so I can use to the right or I can use to the left. You decide which one is the path that you want to use. So if I want to use the right, I use 90 degrees, so the turtle is going to turn around. If you want to see how is going to be your sequence or how is it good, if it's okay or not, you click in the play and you can see how the turtle is turning 90 degrees, that is the straight angle. And then how many more steps misses to go to the pond. When you finish, you can put more obstacles. You can click in here in another landscape and it's going to appear other obstacles. Or if you want other kind of obstacles like rocks, also you can add them here. But I suggest you that at the beginning you can start with the easy part. Then, after you finish with the first game, it's going to appear another game. Remember, you can click, you can type control, you click in the link, and when the hand appears, it's going to find. Remember, if you cannot do it in that way, you can always use Google. Remember to use puzzle appear. That is the name of the domain. Puzzle appear. Sorry, appear. And then angle find. So you put, oh, sorry, angle find. If it doesn't appear like this, like in my case, we need to be more specific. So maybe we need to put puzzle. Oh, that's why, because look, it misses a zip. So what can you do? Maybe you can copy this part of the domain. You can paste it in Google, and then you can put find angle. Find angle. And in that case, it's going to appear in this one, in this one needs to appear. The main domain or the principal domain is homeschool math. So it's going to appear this. And in here, you're going to find angle find. Look again. It's the only option because find angle, it's together. It needs to be together. And then you can click in them and you're going to find angle find. Then you click in there and it's going to appear. How do you play this part? We're going to play only the first part. If you are willing to do the first and the second part, it's okay. What is the idea? You have here the angle, in this case is 120 degrees. So we need to find 12 angles with 120 degrees. So I need to look the way how it's shaped and I click in the correct ones. They say that it misses 10 more, so we need to find 10 more. But this one says that it's too large, so we need to find other ones. Okay. The idea is to find these ones. If maybe you cannot find them, it's because you already find them. So the idea is to find the 60 degrees. 60 degrees could be this. And then it says 80 degrees. We need to find the 80 degrees. Maybe it could be this. 40 degrees. So if you find it, it's going to, they are going to tell you if it's correct or not. If you finish this level, you can go to the parallel play, but it's not necessary. The most important is just to find the first part. Once you finish this, you're going to go to Google Classroom and you're going to do the quiz about the angles vocabulary. So, I'm going to enter to Google Classroom. You already know how to do it. Then you're going to go to Math Tech 4th B or Math Tech 4A. And you're clicking in the Cuestionario de Ángulos. In there, you're going to find the vocabulary or the activity that you must do. You just need to click in there and you need to answer the quiz. Once you finish, it's going to be very quickly because we just have specific questions about the vocabulary of angles, like right angle, obtuse angle, acute angle, the ones that we already practiced last class. Once you finish that one, you come back again to the agenda and you're going to estimate degrees. What is estimate? Estimate is like to think, to look at the angle and to think what is the correct angle. So for example, I put you the expressions that you can use to write and to think what could be this angle. If it could be acute, obtuse, right, straight, reflex, or full. So you need to, of course, pair angle. You need to write a sentence saying and describing which one do you think it is. If you think it's acute, so you write acute. If you think it's obtuse, you write obtuse, but you need to use the complete expression. And also, you need to write here in the second line what is the number or what are the approximate degrees that this angle have. If it's acute angle, of course, so the idea is that it's going to be less than a right angle. Or if it's a reflex angle, so it should be more than a straight angle. So around 190 or 200 degrees. So how do you realize that? It's just an approximation. It doesn't have to be the exactly name or the exactly name, yes, but the exactly number it's not necessary. It's just an approximation that we're going to do. And in this case, in this exercise, you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 exercises. So I hope you enjoyed this class. It's going to be very fun. If you have any question, let me know in the Google Classroom. See you. Bye, girls.